Hello investors, how are you doing today? So we're going to be discussing Norwegian Cruise Line, and the reason why we should invest in this company is because if you look here at the 5-year graph, it was around the price range of between $38 to $50 or $55 around there, and it wasn't until the coronavirus that it actually ended up dropping to a price of around $10 and $20. And June 5th it ended up hitting around the new high of $22, and it wasn't till June 11th that it dropped to $17. But I mean, this past week we've had a crazy run up and then a crazy drop. 2 days of big green, and then today one major big red drop day. But what must go up must come down, and the reason why is because a lot of people were selling profits. I mean, it's only logic, you know. And I was actually thinking of selling some few shares, but I was like, nah, I think the stock is actually gonna keep going up. But I mean, it's the stock market. You cannot predict the stock market. So I mean, regardless, I mean, it's best to hold than to sell. You already know the code. Buy low, sell high. Not buy high and then sell low. So I'm just gonna write it out, wait till my initial investment goes back up to $50 or possibly 40 around there. So for like opportunities like these, you want to take them and then possibly buy a few more shares. And since the stock price ended up dropping, $5 is a pretty big move. Definitely worth something to invest right now. Well, it's still a big red day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed, but the sooner the better. All right, well, that'll be all for today, guys. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful day. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.